These are the questions here in front of you. Now let's take a closer look. They are over here. Now in problem 1, we will use the area model to find the quotient of 2207 divided by 7. That means we will divide a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. We practiced this in primary 4. What is the divisor here? The divisor here is 7. So we will write it here along the left side of the box. Now let's think of a number. When multiplied by 7, the product will be close to 2207. Here we can use the multiplication patterns that we practice in Access to find the multiple of 7. We know that 3 multiplied by 7 equals to 21. So 30 times 7 is equal to 210. And 300 by 7 equals what? 2100. So the number is very close to 2207. So I will write the first number here, 2207. And what did we choose? We chose 300. So I'm going to start by writing the 300 here. And as we said, 300 times this number, which is 7, gets a close answer to the dividend. So I'm writing the 300 here above the box. Then what do? We are going to subtract 2100 from what? From this. So I'm going to write here 2100 and I'm going to subtract. Let's subtract. What do I see? This is 7, this is 0, this is 1, and this is what? 0. So that's close. Now let's think. What do I have? I'm going to copy this number over here. Now we can think of 10. Why? Because here I have 107. Now 10 by 7 is equal to 70. So what do we write? We are going to write 10 over here. Now when I multiply 10 by 7, the answer is 70. And then what do? I will subtract. When I subtract, I'm going to get 37. At this point, I'm going to write the 37 over here. Now let's think of another multiple of 7 that is equal to 37 or closer to it. From our knowledge of the multiplication facts, we know the following, that the multiple of 7 closest to 37 is 35, which is the product of multiplying 7 by 5. So I'm going to write here 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Now when I subtract, what do I get? I get 2. Since 2 is less than 7, it will be called the what? The remainder. So the answer of this, and if this equation is what, or the quotient is what? To find the quotient, we will add 300 plus 10 plus 5, and don't forget the remainder 2. Let's write that. So the quotient is 300 plus 10 plus 5, which is 315, with a remainder 2. Now we reviewed dividing by a 1-digit divisor. All right, we can do the same steps dividing by a 2-digit divisor. Can we do that?
شوف الحلقة كاملة من خلال تطبيق مدرستنا بلس. مدرستنا مستقبل يبدأ الآن.